Jatend kweth mathoth e od bura Seneta Cheruiyot olero ni duond bura mar UDA biro siro ODM e yiero madundo ma Kasipul kaka yor tego osiep mar sirkal manywanda. Kolose kanisa mar Nyalienga parish e kar chung od bura mar Angwe, Seneta Cheruiyot chal ma oloko ng'e ne moko kuom jokanyo mag UDA manyanza mayande osiwo Yaya kasiro jachung kar kende Kasipul Philip Aroko. E kinde no bende jakom ODM Gladys Wanga onyenore mar siro chung ma duond bura mar ODM ni ok gibiriwore kod kweth makwedo piny owacho kata matin.
Damages to the construction work already.
Senator, the UDA team in Homa Bay and across Luo Nyanza came by and you in Kasipul, and they are campaigning for the independent candidate. They are campaigning for the independent candidate. It is confusing our people.
Raila Odinga sat down with President William Ruto, and they looked at the country, and they knew the by-elections that were coming. And we agreed and we said we are going to be strategic. It is only now that I'm in Homa Bay that I can see the wisdom of their decision not to field candidates against each other. They sat down and they said in Magarini, in Kilifi, we will support the ODM candidate. In Ugunja, we will support the ODM candidate. Here in Kasipul, we will support the ODM candidate. When we go to Malava and Banisa and Baringo, we will support the UDA candidates. They knew what they were doing. Na ndio maana ninafurahia siku ya leo. Hii mchanganyiko kidogo msijali. Unajua kuna watu either hawajui ama wako na maadui zetu lakini wanajifanya ni marafiki zetu. So don't worry. Me, I know on Thursday evening we will be celebrating ODM victory.
We are family in the broad-based government. Na mambo hii yote mnaleta hapa, nyinyi ndio mtaumia. Wananchi wa Homa Bay, we know where we have come from, we know where we are, and we know where we are going.